The roots of Clan Maitland are believed to trace back to companions of William the Conqueror. The family name has evolved over time, appearing in early charters as Matulant, Mautalant, or Mautalant. Despite suggestions of its negative connotations as bad or poor wit, an alternative translation, Quasi mutilantus in bello, meaning as if mutilated in war, seems more plausible. The Maitlands rose to prominence in Northumberland and the Borders region, marked by strategic land acquisitions and involvement in significant historical events. Sir Richard Matulant, known for his multifaceted talents as a judge, keeper of the Privy Seal, poet, and historian, laid the foundation for the family's influence. His son, Sir William Mautlant de Thirlstane, stood by Robert the Bruce's side at the pivotal Battle of Bannockburn, leaving an indelible mark on Scottish history. One of the most illustrious figures in Clan Maitland's history is Sir William Maitland, better known as Secretary Lethington. An intriguing diplomat and confidant of Mary, Queen of Scots, his involvement in political intrigues and conspiracies during a tumultuous era earned him both admiration and condemnation. Lethington's dynamic influence on Scottish politics and society resonates to this day. The Earls of Lauderdale, the Maitlands' ascent continued with John Maitland, who was instrumental in both the political and military spheres. As the first Earl of Lauderdale, his roles as President of the Council and a Lord of Session underscored the family's far-reaching influence. Despite challenging times, the Maitlands maintained their place in the corridors of power, with titles like the Duke of Lauderdale reaffirming their status. The Maitland legacy extended into modern times, with notable members contributing to various fields. From General Sir Peregrine Maitland's gallant role at the Battle of Waterloo to the diplomatic prowess of Sir Thomas Maitland, who governed Ceylon, the Ionian Islands, and Malta. The Maitlands also found themselves involved in the political landscape of the 20th century, exemplified by Patrick Maitland's journalistic achievements and Lady Olga Maitland's parliamentary presence.